actually love these birds.
Don't scare them, bro. Okay, just leave them there.
No, don't worry, no worries. I'm gentle.
Don't even sit next to it.
I'm gentle with these little guys.
Don't even touch it. Don't touch it.
It's my little brother. Don't touch him.
I'm recording it.
It's my pet bird. Where it came from, anyways?
I don't know.
Saya, where it came from? Above?
No, it was. Nah, it came from heaven, bro.
Hey, smile. I'm just giving the bird.
Oh my gosh.
Is it chirping?
It's chirping.
Watch Chevy just sits on it.
Yeah. It's a baby zero though. You know those gray birds that come around?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, those birds.
Yeah, the ones that.
Yeah, all over the place.
Yeah. The ones that move their tail up all the
Bro, I
time.
want to pet it, but it's probably gonna fly away.
Hello.
We should make it fly away.
Hey yo, I matched the color.
We should make it fly away.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna fly.
Go back to your
I love it,
parents.
bro.
Doesn't know where its parents is. Oh no, Kiara, please don't.
Hold on, I'm gonna take a video of it real quick.
Yeah, I'm taking a video already.
Everybody shh. Everybody shh. Be quiet, I wanna make a video of it.
Dang, you're recording too? Okay.
It's gonna fly away though.
Dang, you're getting good visual.
Ready?
I'm getting good visual.
4, 3, 2. I'm gonna touch it now.
Dang. Don't take it down.
I'm gonna touch
Yeah, I
it.
got a good shot of you, little buddy.
I'm gonna touch it now.
Try pet it. Try pet it. Hey.
Wait, what? Bro, you're
Dang.
petting
So
it, you're
adorable.
petting it.
It's chirping as well. Oh.
Oh, it pooped.
Oh, what the?
Before you pet it.
Oh, it's flying away. Bye.
I just realized.
Dang. It would fly away all the way out
Bro,
that
I didn't
tree.
realize it fly.
What did it?